My name is Chandler Bridges. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Flowery Branch, Georgia. I play football and I'm an offensive lineman. I tore my ACL my junior season. Things before that were kind of going how they should. Things were on the right track, and then threw a little curveball there with the torn ACL. We had long conversations with the doctor and Dr. Borrow and decided to go ahead and proceed with the surgery just as far as the next step in the process of recovery and to eventually play again. Initially, the injury was devastating at the time because the season was going on, my teammates were still playing and everything. I had to sit and watch, all season long, but I just kept strong and firm in my faith and really believed that everything happened for a reason and was fortunate enough to persevere through everything and continue on.
Chandler's injury that he sustained in the fall of his junior year was a torn anterior cruciate ligament. That is a common injury in football, basketball, soccer, and we see that quite frequently in sports medicine.
Once we found out that it was a torn ACL, that particular season was over. We knew that he was going to have the surgery and he was going to be back. But then, we fast forward a year later and or 11 months later, and we see him finally step out on the field. I remember the first day he suited up this past year in full gear, and it was like a 6-year-old at Christmas morning. He just couldn't, he's smiling from ear to ear. So to see a kid go through that process of the uncertainty to the, reaping the benefits of his hard work and rehab, it was a lot of fun to see that.
Working with athletes like Chandler, very rewarding in part because you're taking somebody whose future can be potentially disrupted by their injury and restoring that future and dream for them. So in a little way, it's like living vicariously through them to watch them go ahead and fulfill their dreams.
So I think the surgery has returned me to the performance level I was hoping because I continued to grow in that performance level as the recovery process was going on. So it never hindered my performance in any way. I'm just beyond thrilled to be able to get a full ride scholarship to Louisville, to continue to play at a major D1 school. When you consider what I went through, and some people would view that as a career ending or, a real big hindrance on someone's career, so I'm just beyond thrilled to be able to go on to the next level at such a high rank. Dr. Borrow in Georgia sports medicine would definitely be the route that I would go if I had to do it over again, and obviously her results are fantastic. So I would definitely recommend her and her staff to any athlete.